Time to play some Dog's Life. Should we call this Dog's Life 3 Special?
Huh?
Should we call this Dog's Life 3 Special?
Yeah.
With Bethany.
Bethany.
How do you
No,
spell
Bethanypuppylover101. Featuring Bethanypuppylover101. That's my YouTube.
How about W/? Because that's with.
Yeah.
With. I don't know what to do. The video started. I accidentally pressed it. I didn't mean to. Right, click X.
X to start a new one.
Yeah. Because I don't have memory cards in it. And the memory cards are broken. So.
Is this game good?
Yep.
Are you the dog?
It's a dog. You're the dog. You're that dog.
Oh.
And this is my life. No school, no chores, no clothes. How cool is that?
Ooh, nice.
Ah, yes, it's great being a dog. Watch this.
Watch this. Bethany is laughing. Where are you?
The panda. I'm here.
Lately, she's been ignoring me. Well, you'll see.
I want to be the girl. I want to be the girl.
You can't. You're doggy. You're my doggy.
She will be mine. Daisy?
What did I do? Did I run after? Did I get took away?
No.
Yeah, I do.
Oh my god.
Oh, my little dog.
Ah! I love dogs. I know. You said that like a million times.
It smells nice out here in the country, don't it, Dwayne?
You cannot be serious, Dwayne. The country's
You
full
cannot be
of fun.
serious, Dwayne.
Boing.
I'll be glad when we get to Lake Minnewawa.
Dwayne, can I play with them nice doggies?
For pity's sake, Dwayne, are you nuts? They're full of terrible diseases.
But I like doggies, Dwayne.
I told you no.
I just like him as my pulse manager.
Huh? Ow.
Do I have to run after them, I'm guessing? With a truck? I don't know.
Don't.
It's like used to PS4 controllers and used to Xbox One controllers. By the way, this is 2016, not 2010.
Oh, my head. What the?
It's all cutscenes, I'm not.
No. Daisy. Oh, must rescue Daisy.
You're a doggy.
But how?
But how?
Hey, Jake, how's it hanging? Come on, I'll race to the top of the hill.
Oh, brother. People are so insensitive. But I need to get back in shape if I'm going to look for Daisy. Hold on to your pants. Here I come.
I don't.
Where doggy?
Where did he go?
Don't know. Don't know. Don't care. Don't know.
What happened?
It's glitching out. It's been in the it's been in the roof space for like don't know. Oh that doggy, that doggy, Don't go down there. Go up the hill. Look at him.
Well, Jake, looks like I beat you fair and square.
Because he's.
Hey, that's Mr. Jake to you, Stinkfoot.
So, you want to play another game?
Are you kidding? Does a dog poo in the woods?
Okay, here goes.
Yeah.
Ready, Jake?
He goes.
Less talk, more action.
Follow me, Jake.
Let's talk more action. What does that mean?
I'm beating you.
This way.
I can't see you.
He's back there. He's there.
Good dog. Come on, Jake.
This dog doesn't
Good
know
boy, Jake.
This dog doesn't know how you run. You're slow. Not going fast, little boy.
Real good, Jake.
I want to go in the
Hey,
water.
Jake, what's up with you? You okay?
I think he died.
You look a little funny.
The dog nappers mentioned a place name. What was it again?
I've got to go see Gramps. Mom says he's as crazy as a nudist at the South Pole, but I think he's cool. Why don't you run down to the farmhouse and play with Lopez, the Chihuahua? Maybe you can practice your racing technique with her. I'm off to Gramps now.
I have to go
50
home at
purples
half
gets
two.
me a bone.
6.
And the more bones, the better. 8 yellows to play the pea marking game. Yummy. Ooh, distinct.
I don't know where to go. You just play about.
I'm gonna run around the road.
Dude, did I get knocked out?
I don't care. I'm a dog. This is Susie because Susie doesn't listen.
Hey! You're gonna get knocked over.
Can I jump in the water?
No. Well, you can if you want to.
I would die.
Well, you would swim, but
Here, boy!
no. Go away!
Where is he?
There.
Oh, there he is.
Hello.
I'm supposed to come
Here,
here.
boy!
Yeah.
Hey, Jake, I've been expecting you. Gramps is drooling in his sleep again. Can you bark him awake?
Oh, Jake, that ain't fair.
Jake, you bad boy!
He told me.
I was dreaming about the Clarksdale cheerleading team winning the big mud wrestling competition. Yes, sirree, Bob. oh, sorry, Jake. Daisy ain't here.
Don't you realize that Daisy's been dog napped?
Oh no.
Go. Why are you doing this to me?
What is happening?
This happens to you all the time.
You have to lean more forward, like.
This happens to us all the time.
Yeah.
Right, could we get a snack? Because I'm hungry.
Yeah. Right, we're gonna go get a snack. We'll be back in a minute. You know I can cut things out.
You really can hear us?
No, I can cut it out.
You're bidding.
I think I know how to cut things out.
You know how to cut things out with scissors.
No!
Everybody knows how to do it.
No, like cut things out as in, like say you go away from the camera. You can cut that scene out. Cut scene.
Oh, yeah.
Like say, you know right now, I could cut that and then put the two ends together and take out the middle bit. You know what I mean?
Yes. I should grind before we get something.
No, it's okay. She always lets me know it's like.
Shake your booty.
Hey, don't you be doing that?
That's what people do on the camera. Shake your booty. People do that on YouTube.
My mum's gonna be watching this. Bethany!
Cut this scene out.
Yeah, I could cut the scene out, but what happens if I forget? I will kill you. It's been sitting in the radiated sun all night. Look, this is a. stay until we're done. But there's a time limit on this.
So we were doing a Star Wars video for 20 minutes. We'll only be like 2 minutes, like 5 minutes waiting this. Come on.
But wait. I can end the video and then make the video wherever sure off.
Delete that video and then we'll make a different.
Right, this is being a half video today. So while we're waiting this, we're going to go on
To Lewis's trampoline.
Lewis Trampoline. Go, by the way, go subscribe to him. He doesn't put up videos, but still, just do it.
I haven't had pairs in ages and I love them.
Right, whenever we come back, we're going to make a video of where we started off, okay? Right, see ya. Bye.